Hey y'all, I'm Mike Ravel. I'm the paint lead here at E.C.D Automotive Design. So basically, when we get our parts here, a lot of them are coming from overseas. So first thing we want to do is kind of make sure they're torn down all the way. Any little brackets or anything left over, we'll take those off before we get started. And then from there, we just want to clean them up. Some of them are really dirty or greasy. We'll take them outside, wash them down. We'll spray some cleaners on them to get a good look at them, and then we'll assess our damage. Take a grease pencil, circle all our dents and everything. Anything we need to fix, we want to mark it so we can just glance at it and see right away what we need to do to it. After that, we have to find the corrosion. It looks different. It's a white powdery look to it. So we'll find that corrosion, we'll take it outside, we'll sandblast it, we'll use a converter on it to try and convert it to a paintable surface, something that we can work with. We'll take care of the corrosion, get it converted so we can work with it. And from there, we'll bring it back inside and start working out the damage. You know, any major dents or damage, we'll hammer and dolly, get the metal straightened out before we apply any fillers to it. We'll spray a primer on it, usually epoxy first, and then a good primer that'll fill in any minor imperfections. And let that cure for a day or two. We'll block it, get it all straightened out, and then put it in the booth and Hector can paint it. After that, we'll bake it, bring it outside, and Raphael over there he'll cut and buff on it, make it real slick, make it shine real good. And so each step of the process, you know, whether it be prepping it and body work and all that, each point in the process we're going to check it over, make sure that the quality is there. You know, we don't want to send it to a customer with little flaws and little things. We take pride in what we do here.